How to share YouTube video links on Instagram Story. Open the YouTube app and head to your homepage or your channel. Find the video you want to share and tap the three dots next to the video title. Select Share and then tap on Copy Link. Now, exit YouTube and open the Instagram app. Tap the plus sign at the top to create a new story. Either take a quick photo with the camera icon or choose one from your gallery. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Search for the link sticker and tap to add it. Paste the YouTube link into the URL box and tap Done. You can now change the color of the link if you want. Move the link around the screen and place it where it looks best. Add some text like New Video or a short description to grab attention. You can also use GIFs or emojis like the YouTube logo to make it stand out. Resize and position everything just how you want it. When you're happy with your story, tap Next. Then tap Share to post it to your story. You can even switch to another profile to make sure the link works. Make sure it takes people straight to your YouTube video. And that's how you share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story.